everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about the brand new features that's a part of the Pro Video settings on the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. Soon, these will be a part of the Galaxy S20 family the moment that they get the update of Samsung One UI 2.5. Now, in order for you to find this Pro Video, yours will be underneath More the moment you get your phone. Then you just drag and drop, move that little shooting mode over into your main settings over here, the shooting modes that you can change. And then this way you have Pro Video sitting there. Now I'm going to show you 3 things on the screen. We have the audio levels, the histogram, as well as a way that you're able to change where the mic is picking up the sound. So over here, if I was to stop talking, you'll see that it went down, and so this is just showing you the levels of audio coming in, and you're able to change where this audio is coming from. When you choose on this icon right there, right now it's stating it's on Omni, which means it's capturing all of the sound equally from everywhere. When you choose the one for the front, it's best for capturing sound coming toward the front of the phone. Now, if you want to go over into rear, then it's best for capturing sound coming toward the back of the phone. And then you also have a couple other cool ones. If you have anything connected via USB, which is going to be if you go from USB Type-C to the USB, so that little dongle that actually came inside the box, or if you're connected to a Bluetooth headset, then you're able to choose this one right here. So you're able to get really good sound if you have something connected. Now, the other cool things, let's say you choose Omni, but maybe it's just a little too loud. Bring down the decibel levels of what it's bringing in, and then it's going to go down just a little bit of how much audio to capture. And then as you go through this one here, you can see that it's going up because it is capturing more sound, being a little bit more sensitive. So really that's everything I wanted to show with the audio capture over there. On the top right-hand side, this is your histogram. So a histogram, basically the way that you're able to read it, is it's a way that you can see if you are having a balanced photo or video. So any of the icons or the little graph lines that's on the left going to the right. So starting on the left, it's going to be all the blacks and then the shadows, and then it's going to be the mid-range or the midtones. Then it moves over into highlights, and the last portion is whites. Now in this image here, you can see that it's just clipping all of the darks and the shadows. Now, if I was to bring this up, then you're going to see that it is kind of moving around towards the center. So you're getting a lot of the mid-range tones. Now, if I wanted to, move over into some of this green, you can see that there's blacks, there is shadows, and some of the mid-range. So if I was out in the sun, then on this side, it would actually go up higher versus just the indoor light. Now, that was the majority of everything I wanted to show you on this screen here. So let's just say that you went right back over just inside of photo or your video, right? Now on the top left-hand side, when you go inside of settings, when you scroll down on these past phones, you did have rear video size and front video size, but this is where you have Pro Video size. This is where you can change the size of video you would like to record when you go to Pro Video. So the coolest one here is probably that 21:9 at 8K. So you can record something with this. Take a look at it, see if it's something you like. If not, you can move back over into that 16:9, which is what everybody is used to. And you can also change the resolution here. You have Ultra HD, 60 frames per second, 4K on the top. Then it just goes on and you go at the 30 frames, 24, and then 120 frames at that full HD. But that was everything I wanted to show you guys in today's video. Those are the brand new features, a part of the Pro Video settings. If you guys like this video, give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit and subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.